have to go, please everyone help me welcome our 7th startup from H2O Connected, Susan Springsteen.
Hello everyone, let's talk about how to make money with toilets. My name is Susan Springsteen. I am the president and co-founder of H2O Connected, and we're a triple bottom line company that developed the Leak Alerter Wireless Pro so that hoteliers can save water and save money. So EPA says that 20% of the 300 million tank toilets in the United States are wasting 50 gallons of water a day at any one time, and we don't want any of those to be your toilets. So whether it's a running toilet wasting 5.5 gallons per minute, a faulty fill valve, a leaking flapper, inefficient flush volumes, overflows, toilets have a lot of ways of running up your water and sewer bill. But there's no water on the floor, and guests don't tell you if there's a problem. So how would you know? We're going to solve that problem. We developed the Leak Alerter Wireless Pro. It installs in seconds inside the tank. It's a wireless device with a smart water height sensor that can monitor water usage and detect all these different problems with your toilet. Sends communications to our proprietary gateway, a text message for urgent issues, work orders for all issues once a week, and anything you need to know is reported on a dashboard. It'll tell you the diagnosis, so your maintenance knows what to fix, making them very efficient. The location, severity, down to a fraction of a gallon. Also cost, both in gallons and dollars, which is really important now that USALI has water usage as one of their monitoring requirements. And it works. This is a hotel that went through a refresh within a year of our installation, yet 88% of their toilets had at least one water wasting issue, which without us would have added $15,000 to their water bill. Our typical ROI is positive within 10 to 14 months, and this is a purchase and subscription model. We have 5 patents, so we are the only one that can put a water height sensor inside the tank, which is imperative if you're going to quantify and differentiate between issues and locate the small problems before they become big ones. We do have some competitors trying to solve this problem. They either can't locate or quantify or differentiate between the issues, and we can do all of that. In addition to boosting profits, we're also helping you save the planet. So we save water, and we also help you lower the burden on the electrical grid and maximize guest experience because your guests aren't annoyed by a loud or malfunctioning toilet. Here are some of our customers. We have 30 installs to date, and our customers, including the hotels, are ordering for the rest of their portfolios and referring their friends to us. We are a made-in-the-USA company. Our devices are made on our facility by returning citizens and those in recovery, so we are helping people turn their lives around. In addition, we have a network of local partners, so although we are small and mighty, we can meet high-volume demand. Here is our team. We have folks on our team that have been studying toilet anomalies since 1997, so we're the experts. And please come see me at E7, vote for me, and I'd love to talk to you about saving money. Thank you.
Excellent job, fast. Well done. Judges, questions?
Fire away.
No relation to Bruce Springsteen, right?
Actually, I am, but I've never met him.
Okay. Yeah, very, very quickly, can you just describe your scale-up model? Because there's a hardware component of this, right? Now, typically,
wait a minute, it's hard.
Can you hear me okay?
It's the feedback. We can't always hear because of the feedback.
So can you just describe your scale-up model? Because there's a hardware component of this, right? In terms of scaling, typically all the investments that we've done have been in sort of software space. So just want to get a sense of how do you scale?
We have, we make the product in our facility. We have a network of local partners. We have a partner that populates our boards who can do 2 million board products a month. We do assembly and testing and everything in our facility, and then we have other relationships around us that can handle our overflow orders. And because we're making the product right next to the engineers who developed it, the quality assurance is extremely high.
Some of your competitors offer toilet detection, but also other type of leak detection that can cause damage to the building if it isn't caught. How do you compete against those, and how do you differentiate?
How do I compete against the folks that are Other leak detection products?
The ones that handle other types of leaks, like water accumulating in the shower or
Okay.
Other building sources of leaks.
At the moment, Leak Alerter is dedicated to the tank toilet because a lot of other types of leaks, they have water on the floor, they're easier to detect, and there are other products out there that do that, but there is no one that really can detect, quantify, and diagnose toilet leaks. And since the toilet is the #1 water waster in a building and in a hotel, this is really something we wanted to address for you all. There will be other products coming, but I can't talk about them right now. And they will all hook into our gateway.
So just to clarify, how do you charge for is it per toilet, per location? And you mentioned it's service subscription model, so is it annual, monthly? How does it work?
Yes, the Leak Alerter node and the gateway are purchased, and we have a show special right now, 25% off for all those of you who are attending. And then there's a subscription model that can be either paid for monthly, quarterly, or annually.
So the device that goes in the toilet, you do have to purchase that? The device that goes in the toilet itself, is that something that has to be purchased by the hotel?
Yeah, you purchase the node that goes inside the toilet tank. And then we usually only need one gateway per building, so it's not a mesh network. And then there's a subscription on the node per toilet.
Can you explain to us a little bit more about your marketing strategy and what is your current sale and what you project your sale to be in the next year or so?
Well, we're selling local. Initially, we were selling locally so the engineers could do the installs and learn what they didn't know. We're past that process, so we're now in our 3rd generation and ready to scale. So we're selling direct to hotels. We work with an advisor you probably all know called Gain, who has been helping us with the hotel industry. And then we also are talking to we're talking with Ferguson and a couple of other distributors who are interested in carrying the product, which can help us scale. And we've also talked to toilet manufacturers about actually doing a strategic partnership with them. So there's a couple avenues we have to be able to scale the product.
Right, thank you very much.
Thank you.